Okay. So, alis na daw ako. Ito na lang, dito na lang. Eee! Ito yung ayoko, may high school. God dang it. Ay, my goodness. Here I am at the Komagata High School. Gymnasium. Let's see here. Ah, someone's there. Ha? Uy, uy. Ang ina mo. Ouch. Ah, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Ginagawa mo dyan, girl? Yeah, I'm fine, but did you just climb over the school gate? Huh? Girl, ginagawa mo dyan? A girl in a school uniform came climbing over the front gate. She must be a student here. Huh? That thing she's hiding in her hand. That's a curse stone. The girl is a cursed barrier. Oh my goodness! Oh no, wait lang. Labanan na to ng mga curse. Shit, wait lang. Shit! Think. That girl, if she's a curse barrier, anong gagawin? Anong gagawin? Talk. What's going on? Why are you at school this late? Well, I'm sorry. I'm big in a hurry. I gotta go. Huh? A curse? Why? It can't be. Ah, Mio, I'm sorry. So, ala, creepy. Ugh. The curse stone. Did I just kill somebody? I think I made a mistake. Why did I kill her? Parang natitrigger ata ako kapag may nagsasabi na I gotta go. Oh no! Shit, I'm so sorry, girl. Teka lang. I don't know what I'm doing. I killed somebody. Oh my gosh. Then the evergreen bitch at the former Yasuda Gardens along the Sumida River. Finally, Sumida River. Oh my goodness. So this one, I think, will be the first one to go. Ah, it's so there's somebody here. Hey, a quick question for you. What the... Sorry, this is so sudden, but I gotta ask. You don't mind, do you? Are you a curse bearer? Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay. Man. Making it obvious that he's a curse bearer himself. What he's trying to pull. Maybe he's confident that I can activate his curse before I can activate mine. Gotta be careful. How should I respond here? What's that? What the hell is that? Plus, she glanced behind me when the cursed echo appeared. I knew it. You're a curse bearer too. You can stop trying to hide it now that you were not that you were doing a very good job. Damn it. Yeah, you're right. I appreciate the honesty. I just want to have a nice, calm little chat. The name is Yutaro Nabigaki. My cursed echo is the foot washing mansion. Ah, foot washing mansion. Yutaro Nabigaki. Okay. La, may pinatay tayong curse bearer kanina. Shish. A chat? I'm not going to curse first and ask questions later just because we're both curse bearers. I've got a little more class than that. I hope you're smart enough to extend me the same courtesy. Alright. La, baka mamatay ako dito. Fine, chat away. Thank you. Good to know I'm dealing with someone reasonable. Okay? A young man probably younger than me, maybe a college student. This guy is quite a bold character. He's got confidence, I'll give him that. Pwede ba ako mag-move? Ah, baka mamatay ako. Alright, let's talk. What do you want? Right, I'll cut straight to the chase. Will you join forces with me? Join forces to gather soul dregs? Yep, you're using your curse because there's someone you want to resurrect to you, right? In that case, it'll be more effective for the two of us to work together than to do it all yourself. Think about it. If we could split the work, we'd have two kinds of curses at our disposal. Working together, I hadn't thought about that before. Can the soul dregs in one curse stone be moved to another? That's fundamental requirement for this to work. Well, we'll have to test it. And I can't do that alone either. I see. Wah, ano ba? Can we trust this guy? Alright then, if working together helps us both get what we want, maybe it's not a bad idea. Thanks, glad to be dealing with someone who can think things through not rationally. But there's something I need to know in advance. Tell me, oh my god, ayan na, crazy. How many soul dregs do you have right now? Right, I have some, of course. I am more than competent after all. I'm asking you how many. I'm at 1%, but don't worry about it. My curse is so easy to activate. I'll have plenty in no time. But you haven't managed to get any of your on your own, have you? I'm at 67. Huh? Say what? That's the amount of soul dregs I have in my curse stone right now. What? Wait, are you serious? You're not even close to being on my level. I'll keep gathering soul dregs on my own. Let's forget all this joining forces business. You gotta be kidding me. Huh, I'll call your bluff. Don't think you can scare me off easily. I see, that's too bad. If you don't feel like talking, then you leave me no choice. I gave you the chance to come out of this alive. Real shame. Just gonna waste it. What are you? Among the seven mysteries, the resentful memory of the foot washing mansion is particularly strong. You can't pluck it out by plugging your ears. As soon as you hear the voice of my cursed echo, kaya pala pinababa. Hmm? A voice? I don't hear any voice. What? There's no way. And yet, there he is, perfectly unharmed. How? What's going on here? I don't completely understand it myself, but his curse conditions don't seem to have been met. This is my chance. Yutaro, your curse won't work on me. I'll let you off easy today, so get the hell out of here. You son of a... Fine, I'll be on my way then. Ayy! Why? How is this... Goodbye. The curse stone of the Whispering Canal has gained 20% soul dregs. Wow! Mamamatay person na ata ako today. Sheesh. Buti na lang pala nabasa ko yun sa walkthrough. Nababaan ko daw yung audio tab. Ah! The former Yasuda Gardens. There are some kind of incident here recently, so the entrance was closed off. But it was easily enough to sneak in since there are no guards at this time of night. However, oh shit, ito na naman. Baka mamaya may manggugulat na naman. Yung inabuka ni Mol. Have you decided on what you're gonna do with your Ay! Oh, so precious. Ano yan? Why are you so close? Why are you so close? Hearthstone. Ah! Yeah. Oh. Yuck! I've been waiting for you. I have a curse stone. Her sudden proclamation had me at loss of words, so the woman continued. I have a position where I can use my curse on you whenever I please. If you hand over your curse stone, I will at least spare your life. In that moment, all I could squeeze out in my reply was, let me think about it. Which brings us to now. Alright, think. Damn it, did I expose myself somehow? She said she can use her curse on me anytime. I guess I've already fulfilled its conditions. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Sino kaya to? Hmm. A woman in her 30s. She has a refined air about her. Like she was brought up in a family of high social standing. But I also sense a shadow hanging over her. I wonder if it has to do with this place. Talk. Don't tell me you still haven't made up your mind. Such an indecisive man. Wait. I might hand over my curse stone, depending on certain things. Will you hear me out for a moment? Sure. Go on. Introduce yourself. Ah, shucks, inisipod ako. Ay guys, umuulan ba dyan sa inyo? Dito makulimlim. Kaya biglang nagkaroon ng shift ng weather. Kagabi ang init-init, tas bigla ngayon nalamig. Animal. If we were going to talk, we should get to know each other better. My name is Shogo. Stop. Huh? Let's not do that, alright? If I know your name, I might start to feel sorry for you. And have a hard time. Ala, papatayin niya talaga ako. 7. Anong 7? 6, 7! What condition I have fulfilled since the moment I start... Ah. Baka nakatayo ako? Evergreen bitch. Then I'll continue to meet that condition as long as I'm here. Ang meron lang sa akin is yung lighter tsaka yung curse stone. Hindi ko pa dibigay yung curse stone. So baka yung lighter, yun lang naman ang meron ako eh. Map? I'm sure I'd recognize it after setting it off. It's not like I get to do things over. Oh. Talk. Introduce yourself. Why? Well, I need to call you something. Then call me ma'am. Huh? Alright, ma'am. Yes? What is it? Oh, this is bad. She's completely running the show here. 6. Nagbibilang siya! Dito naman. If you take my curse stone, what are you going to do with it? With your curse stone? It's brimming with soul dregs, isn't it? It's already killed so many, no? How does she know so much? I'd like to avoid such crude methods myself. 5. Oh my goodness. So, 5. Paano yun? Teka, think muna. If I can figure out her curse, I have to set it off on my own. I don't see how I could make her leave though. Not while she has the upper hand. All I can think of is to make her use her curse. Damn it. But there's no way I could counterattack after she curses me. So magpapa-curse ako? Hmm? What's going on with my hand? What's this? Huh? Shit. Anong gagawin ko? Oh. Mm. Dadagdagan. May 1 soul dregs. That means you're after the right of resurrection too. Not that I'm trying to compare our circumstances, but I can ask what led you to this. Oh my. Do you mean that if my situation is more dire than yours, you'd give me your curse stone to me? Sure, I'd consider it, so tell me. Liar. Huh? You wouldn't hang your fate on something as superficial as that. Nor would I. Or, oh god! Ah, hindi pwede ano. Iikot lang din ako sa kanya. Ah, shucks. Wala talaga. Feels weird. Oh. Oh, wait lang. Files. Rakuka! Rakuka! A lush green park administered in Somida City. Ay. Common traditional character for heart. Crisscross its ground lined with stone for strolling. The garden once pulled in water for the Somida River so that its pond would ebb and flow with the tide. A novelty in Edo which had begun fine. Okay. Okay. How to play? Okay. Once upon a time, North Birch Beach Tree. It was impressive. Paano kaya to? So, meron na tayong Whispering Canal. Meron tayong Fool's Possession. Music. Beckoning Light. Ah, Hunting Clappers. Ah, so parang marami pa? I don't get it. Okay na daw yung talk na lang daw. 3. Ah, okay na, may check. So parang i-exhaust ko ata yung conversation. My son. He'd been 6. Oh. His son. Her son. When I'm one of the big kids, I'll help look after the first and second grader, he say. He always had a strong sense of justice and responsibility. He wouldn't stand by when he saw other kids being bullied. He'd defend them. Even if he was no match for the bully himself, he often come home in tears, but only because he was sad that he wasn't strong enough to save them. He wanted to be a policeman when he grew up. Okay, okay, I get it. I heard enough. Oh, That's enough for you? Yeah. Hearing such a sad story just makes me all the more sorry that I haven't changed my mind. Eh, I see. So, even after what I told you, to... Ah! Gagamitin niya talaga sa akin yung curse niya! Shit! Oh. Ah, wala. Ah. May isa na lang akong chance eh. Paano kaya to? Try natin to. Shit. Okay, tapos na. Isa na lang. Can you take soul dregs from other cursed bearer stone and add them to your own? Who knows? But you have to admit, it's worth trying. Ala, ang sinister ng mukha ni ate. Pero parang feeling ko, yung nag-activate is parang kung anong meron sa akin. Gusto niya yung soul, gusto niya yung curse stone ko, but I think there's something pa. So parang ang isang item na meron sa akin na hindi ko pwedeng ibigay sa kanya. Ay, hindi ko pwede ibigay sa kanya yung curse stone. So baka pwede kong ibigay yung lighter kasi kanina nagamit ko yung lighter eh. So you want soul dregs but you steal the ones others have gathered because you don't want to get your own hands dirty? You're half right and half wrong too. Huh? I don't mind getting my hands dirty. I just want to end this with a little trouble as possible. Understand? Okay. 0. Such a shame. What? This is the end for you. Oh God! Oh my goodness! No! Oh! Ah! Oh my God! So, I died? Oh gosh! I died! My, Mamma Mia, you seem to have arrived at a less than favorable result. It was not all in vain, however, as you finally realize how the curse is activated. Fear not, you may make many attempts as you please from the conversation with the lady. Talaga? Oh, I can try again! I died, I died! Very well, remember how to ward off the curse when you return. How to ward off? Sabi na eh! Hi, Ange! Hello, everyone! Welcome to the stream. My name is Mamma Mia. And yeah, I died. But bear in mind, Shogo Oki has no way of realizing it himself. So you must react for him. Oh God. Okay. So sabi dito, I have to throw it away. Yes, throw it away. Okay. Kanina ko pa iniisip yung lighter na yun eh. Kanina ko pa iniisip. Huh? What did you just... Why throw your lighter away all of a sudden? Huh? Well, I just kind of felt like it. Ala. How? Sabi na yung lighter eh. Yung lighter. Why is she losing it all of a sudden? Sabi na kasi fire yung dude. Could that lighter have been what fulfilled the condition of her curse? But why? How did I? Oh, patayin na. This can't be. My Shuichi. Tapos mahuhuli ako. Kaya nga, it's the Momo game. Pero parang feeling ko mahuhuli ako. Oh, what the? Ala! 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 Oh! Namatay ako? Namatay na naman ako! Oh. Namatay na naman ako! Ano ba yan? Oh. Pardon the interruption, but I'd like to take this chance to tell you about the story chart. Wow! This is the screen which will appear when you open the story chart. From here, you can not only can you see the overall structure of the current story, you can also progress along different branching routes by playing past stories over again. Oh, may ganito! We call this exactly the power that Shogouki had sought after. Normally, you would have been able to use a story chart feature freely. However, due to certain circumstances, it has been locked until now. From here on, you will return to the story chart from time to time at breaks in the story. Oh, okay. At those times, you will choose for yourself which story you wish to continue next. Okay. Okay. Ah. Oh, Records of Fate. Ay. Eh? Oh, okay. So, anong gagawin? By the way, should you use the story chart to replay a past event? Do you know what you must do and where? Oh my gosh. Of course you do. After all, you've gotten this far. What trigger did Yoko Fukunaga set off that led her dying the way she did? Ano nga ba? You've come this far several times, so I have very confidence that you will be alright. As long as you make sure not to do that thing. What thing? However, like the lighter and the voice earlier, Shogouki has no way of knowing that himself. On that note, I am curious. Have you determined how many people Oki has killed with his curse? Guys, ang dami ko na napatay kanina. Napatay ko baka napatay ko si Yoko, yung lalaki na nasa likuran ko. Tapos may napatay akong, yung may kumidnap sa akin kanina eh. 2 ata sila. Kasi parang nag-uusap sila eh. So parang 2 ata sila. So may 4 na. Tapos may nakilala ako sa bridge, hindi ko naman siya pinatay. May nakilala akong detective 2, hindi ko sila pinatay. May nakilala akong high school student. Ayan, napatay ko siya. Tapos yung nasa bridge, napatay ko rin siya. Tsaka yung babae. Oh. Have you determined how many people Shogouki has killed with his curse? 7 naman yung nabilang ko. Nakalagay dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? 7. 7. 0? Well, that is... Wala siyang napatay? Ha? I don't get it! Okay. Wow! So ano to? Nabasag. Teka, naiihi. Ay. Hello, Waki! Do you sure? So sabi pwede daw tayo bumalik. So kung bumalik tayo dito, may ma-unlock tayo dito. Wow! Sipon. Kamusta kayo? Uy, sana hindi umuulan dyan. Sandali lang, iihi lang ako. Ang dami ko nainom na tubig kanina. Pero sana hindi ko na makita yung Momo, anak ng tipaklong. But yeah, I'll be back. I will like. Okay, so we're backers. So, ano to? Hoy! Buti na lang tanghali. Tanghali natin nilalaro to. May buhok na nakasabit sa kisame ng CR. Wag mo tignan. Buhok ko yun, dumikit lang dun. So, babalik tayo dito. Dapat hindi natin, kasi ang powers kasi ni Shogo is kapag aalis, kunwari, tatakbo palayo sa kanya or aalis sa kanya, natitrigger yung curse. So, dapat, ang gagawin natin dito, hindi natin siya palalayuin or parang hindi natin siya bibigyan ng reason to go away from us. Ayan. Summary of previous episode. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ito. Dapat hindi natin siya patatakbuhin sa atin. From the beginning. Ayoko, nagugula. Ang dami ng... Ay! Tangina mo kayat. Ito na naman tayo eh. Andito na naman tayo. Putang ina. What the hell? Okay. May nakita siya sa likuran ko. Dapat hindi tayo lilingon. Dapat hindi natin siya palalayuin sa atin or hindi siya dapat aalis. Kasi doon na-activate yung curse. Oh my God! Oh! Ha? Ano nangyari? Oh, nagkaroon ng panibagong branch. Oh my God. Shogo cries Yokosume in desperate attempt to wake her as she lies unmoving on the ground. Oh my goodness. Eto na naman tayo, guys. Okay. Salamat, buhay siya. Kaya nga eh. Bagong eksena. Let's go. We have a new scene. Oh, good. You're awake. What? Are you okay? You were so rattled and confused. I thought you'd really lost it. Do you feel dizzy? Have a headache? Are you humorous off balance? Wait, what did you say? I think I've heard that before. You're the one who said it earlier. Oh, right. That might have been my humors were off balance. What back there? You ended up like that because of your humors? Yeah, I've heard that at this age ano yung humors? Your humors being even a little bit off can be fatal. Hindi ba nakakatawa yung humor? Anyway, I'm glad you're back to normal now. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cause you so much trouble. So, hindi tayo cursed. Ganun ba yon? But I really don't remember what happened. Sounds like what happened to me. Maybe this place is dangerous somehow. Oh my God. Ay! Putay na mo! What? Are you backing out? Yeah, it just doesn't feel safe to me. And I'm worried about you. Let's call off today's investigation. Come on! I just started feeling back to normal too. Nope. Not happening. Go home. I'll even pay your cab fare, okay? Oh! Hindi at least hindi siya namatay. I ended up having a force still protesting Yoko into a taxi. Even then, she wouldn't stop complaining. So to placate her, I promised I'd search the park on my own for a while longer. Ooh. Oy, tangina. Wow, may bago na namang eksena. Ah, okay. Part 3. Parang medyo magulo part 3. Kasi ito namatay siya eh. Ito 4, part 4. Summary of the previous events. Worried about Yoko after her bizarre incident, Shogo decides to call this investigation into the mysteries of the night. Despite her stubborn objections, he manages to persuade her by offering to continue the search on his own. Utang na loob. 5 a.m. na ha. Umaga na. Ba siguro playtime nito due to I think so. Akala ko matatapos na yun kanina. Sabi ko, yes, matatapos na. Hindi pala. It's a prank. In further news, namatay siya. Before dawn today, a police officer on patrol discovered a man collapsed in a Sumidas... Wait, namatay siya? The man was taken to the hospital but his death was confirmed shortly after. Investigations are still underway, but police suspect a connection to the other unexplained deaths found in the area around the same time. Uy, gago, namatay si Shogo! Oh my God! Are you serious? What? Wait lang. Yun na yun? So, wait lang. So, ibig sabihin, I have to play 7 characters pa kasi prologue lang daw sabi nung Steam. Prologue lang daw yun. Well done in your efforts thus far. This brings Shogo Oki's story to a close. Oo, kasi pinakita niya na matay nga si Shogo. But this is not the end. Oh, this is not the end. Far from it. In fact, this is where the story finally begins. The routes of the 3 protagonists have now been unlocked. 3 ang protagonist. Okay. Ito yung babae kanina, Harui Shigima, a woman who lost her son when he was kidnapped and murdered. Ito yung na-meet natin sila kanina, Tetsuo Tsuchumi, the chief inspector of the 1st Investigative Division, who is looking into the death of an officer in the line of duty. Si Kako. Ito yung napatay natin kanina, guys. Si Yako Sakazaki, a high school girl who wants to bring her friend back from the dead. A girl who died in a suspicious suicide. Oh! So this is just the prologue. Si Shogo. Pero a question, sinong pumatay kay Shogo? Each of them is burdened with circumstances that leave them no choice but to seek the right of resurrection. Following these 3 storylines will reveal the full nature of all that is occurring. With that, please enjoy the continuation of this tale.